In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your YouTube videos in ClickUp. If you've ever felt scattered trying to keep track of ideas, scripts, filming, and upload dates, this workflow will bring everything into one place. We'll set up a simple system you can reuse for every video. First, create a dedicated spacer folder just for your channel so all content lives together. Call it something clear, like YouTube content or video planning. Keeping it separate makes it easier to focus and share access with teammates later if you need to. Next, create a list inside that space for your ideas. Click New List and name it Video Ideas. Think of this as your inbox of concepts. Anytime inspiration hits, this is where you'll capture it so nothing gets lost. Now start adding tasks, one per video. Click Add Task in your Video Ideas list and name each task after the video topic. For example, how to use ClickUp for beginners. The task title is what you'll see everywhere, so be specific. If you like, add a quick note in the task description with your angle or key points to remind future you what excited you about the idea. To make your planning smarter, add custom fields. Click Add Column and choose Custom Field. A status field helps you track progress with clear stages like idea, script, filming, editing, and published. A published date field lets you pick a target date, which becomes super helpful when you switch to calendar view. And a video type field, like tutorial, review, or tips, helps you balance your content mix and filter later. With your fields in place, organize your workflow. As you work on a video, move the tasks through the statuses so you always know what's in progress and what's coming next. Switch to board view for a clean, Kanban-style pipeline where you can drag cards between stages. When you're scheduling, open Calendar View to map out published dates at a glance and drag tasks to adjust timing without losing anything. Finally, connect your resources so everything lives with the task. Attach your script, thumbnails, or research notes directly to the task, or link a ClickUp doc if you prefer writing long form. This keeps your creative assets and decisions easy to find and avoids hopping between tools. And that's how you plan YouTube videos in ClickUp. Quick and easy. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorial.